Oh, that duck just got awoken. I think there's not a duck that's pretty angry.
Hi.
You got Lexus for me, girl. You guys are famous. That's it. Legs.
Coastlines of South Africa. Now, taking a close look at means is it actually brings in sounds surrounding our owls and distributes it to their ears. You might notice our is what they will make sure that the males come down and chase down the prey items, and when the female knows the prey item is tired, she will come in for the final blow, which is quite important.
Oh, you're so cute.